guys, say hello to my secret weapon for that bikini body this summer. These are the Belly Orb Skinny Patches. They are super easy to apply. They just go over your belly button. You wear them for 8 hours and the benefits are amazing. For me, they help control hunger, they reduce belly bloat, and I love the fact that they use only herbal ingredients and they're transmitted transdermally. They also help accelerate my fat and weight loss like crazy. If you have not tried these, you 10 out of 10 need to run and grab them now.
Hey guys, so lately I've had a few people asking questions about what I've been doing recently in my workout routine to kind of help cut and tone and slim down. I do have a pretty standard workout routine every day, at least 30 minutes, standard eating, make sure you're getting your fruits, your veggies, your proteins, things like that. But I also believe everything in moderation. So the biggest thing for me is don't keep things from yourself. If you are craving something, please by all means have that, because what happens is you'll eat all the other things to feel that craving, and then you might actually end up going back and eating what you're craving to begin with. Another thing that I have added in that has really been helping slough some of the inflammation off, which is real big, especially for women. You know, we always have that certain time of the month where the inflammation kicks in. But I just found these new Belly Orb Skinny Patches. I know, the name skinny, it's a word, but they work. They're really good, and they're all natural. They're herbal based. I mean, they've got things in them like mugwort, which we all know is really good for digestion and gut health. It's got cinnamon in it, which we know is really good for metabolism. There's just a plethora of amazing all natural products in here. And it's super easy to use. They actually designed it to work where you just wear a patch for about 8 hours. So I recommend doing it at night for sure. You can put it on your belly button, you can put it on the bottom of your feet. I prefer bottom of my feet just because I'm weird about my belly button to begin with. I don't like stuff in it. Anyways, so this has definitely been something that helps curb out that toning process, helps cut down on all of that body inflammation, systemic inflammation, just by using all natural ingredients. So if you have questions about it, I'm going to link it. You guys can check them out. They're super simple and very easy to use. And like I said, it's got a whole bunch of amazing natural ingredients in it that we all know the benefits of just from daily use. And I'm sure you've seen it trending here on TikTok as well. So check out the link below. Give it a look. If you have questions, hit me up. I'll answer them for you.
Okay, if you've tried supplements to lose weight but didn't notice any effects, this will blow your mind. Did you know that most weight loss supplements have the right ingredients in them, but they don't work as well because you're actually taking them the wrong way? Tons of scientific evidence proves that natural weight loss ingredients like pepper and ginger actually are highly effective, but in pill form, your body can't absorb it correctly. Luckily, a friend of mine recently introduced me to a new natural supplement called Belly Orb. It delivers all of those nutrients in a topical patch. This thing is loaded with scientifically proven ingredients. I'm talking fat blockers, metabolism boosters, prebiotics, the list goes on. And unlike pills, your body can actually absorb all of these things because of the Belly Orb design. I don't know, it seems sort of strange, but it's been so effective for me. And to think, I was about to resort to much more serious methods, but it turned out all I needed was the natural ingredients delivered to my body properly, just like Belly Orb promises. So don't give up on natural ingredients. They really are the answer for so many people. Trust me, try Belly Orb for just a few days and you'll see the difference it makes.